If you're looking for a great location, about 10-15 minutes from Scottsdale, centrally located in Phoenix, something that's a little move-in ready, this could be the home for you. As we walk through this home, I want you to notice all the beautiful upgrades, including the flooring and the kitchen. The kitchen is just to die for. They did a great job with the remodel of the kitchen and bathrooms in this home. Whether you're looking to be next to Scottsdale Quarter, you're about 15 minutes out, about 15 to 20 minutes to the airport. You're in a great central location when you are looking at a home like this in this area. If you're looking for an older home with lots of character and a neighborhood that's a little bit more cultured, this could be a great home, a great way for you to get the old in the new. Moving to Phoenix, Arizona, there's things you want to pay attention to. If you have little ones, you're going to want to check the school ratings. You want to see if it's what you're looking for when it comes to education for your kids or future kids. You want to make sure the freeways make sense. To go from the East Valley to the West Valley, there's a lot going on in between throughout the day. So you want to make sure you situate your home to wherever your professional life will lead you. Restaurants. So if you're looking for great food, something that's not a chain, like In-N-Out or Burger King, you want a little bit mom and pops. You want to situate yourself in the right location, and this home could be it. As we walk through this gorgeous home located out here in Phoenix, Arizona, please keep a list of the pros and the cons, things that you're looking for when purchasing a home. If you want to conversate with me and you have questions on where your lifestyle would fit best in the Arizona market, I'm always here to help. Please feel free to reach on out. Have an awesome day. Well, hello, Phoenix, Arizona. So we are out here, and it is a gorgeous day out in Phoenix. Weather is amazing, and we're about to take a tour of this gorgeous corner lot, but it's about 95 degrees out in Phoenix, and if you know, then you know. That means it is absolutely gorgeous. We have amazing weather out here, and this home we're about to take a tour on is in a great central location. You are close to hikes, close to trails, close to shopping, restaurants, all the great amazing things that Phoenix has to offer. So the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom in Roadrunner Estates. So this home has been completely remodeled. Lots of curb appeal on this one. I absolutely am in love with the kitchen, love that it's neutral. We are seeing a lot more of the neutral colors coming back to the palette tones out here in Phoenix, Arizona. So we are going to have a little bit of browns, a little bit of warm in the kitchen, which makes it super cozy, super modern feeling without being too modern. So this home right here is at a great location, great price point, under $840,000. And if you haven't done so already, please make sure you hit like, subscribe, follow my channel, follow me through these homes. I'm super excited to take you through and show you what this gorgeous home has to offer. Come check it out. So welcome to Roadrunner Estates, where mountain views, family-friendly streets, and classic Phoenix living come to life. So this home right here just got listed on the market, just under $840,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, $1,896 on the square footage. And this home right here features an over 10,000 square foot corner lot. So that's a pretty good sized property. There is no HOA. And this home was, believe it or not, built in 1977. So as we take a wander down the street, just in case you're wondering, look how adorable these homes are out here. So I love these older, more cultured neighborhoods. You never know what you're going to get. You know, you got brick on some homes, no brick on others, stucco, all the fun stuff. And for me, this one right here is definitely going to be location. You are located in Roadrunner Estates near 44th Street and Thunderbird Road. It's Paradise Valley Unified School District, highly sought after from some of our local families. Other nearby schools would be Indian Bend Elementary, Greenway Middle, and of course Paradise Valley High School. Some great things out here to look forward to when you live this part of the valley would be Lookout Mountain. It's just about 5 minutes away for hiking, biking, and city views. Piesca Peak. It is a world famous trail, only 10 to 12 minutes away. It's great for sunsets, hiking in the sunset. What else could you ask for? Another fun one would be Roadrunner Park. It's kind of like a community hub. A Saturday's farmer market would most likely happen there. Duck ponds, sports events. And you're pretty close to the Paradise Valley Park Central. It's a large recreation area with walking paths, baseball, pickleball courts. I know a lot of people are into the pickleball world right now, so there's a lot of that out here in Arizona. And of course you have your canal paths nearby for biking, jogging, and routes through North Phoenix. All right, so we are about to go into this gorgeous home. We're gonna call out the exterior. It is a beautiful white brick. Windows have been updated. Fascia and roof look like it's all in great condition. It is a move-in ready home. And this one right here does have a 2-car garage. You could probably fit about 4 cars in the driveway, so you have a lot of parking space. And simple landscaping. So front and backyard landscaping on this one is what we would call a desert landscaping. Very easy, low maintenance. You just need a blower. You blow and you go. All right, so as we enter in this beautiful remodeled home, you're going to enter in to this foyer entryway. And this is 1896 square feet of pure beauty. It is an open floor plan. So many upgrades, wiring, plumbing, kitchen, bathrooms, floorings, the list goes on and on and on. And as we come in here, you're going to have this beautiful formal living area. So there's your entry. You have this cozy living room. And again, just lots of open space, beautiful natural light. It is a move-in ready home. So flooring throughout the home is also this gorgeous wood look luxury vinyl. So that's a pretty big popular flooring nowadays out here in Arizona. And this kitchen is just absolutely gorgeous. So they have this veiny type countertop. It's a quartz. They did the under cabinet lighting. I love the mixes of the wood. So they're bringing it back old school with the oak. Yes, my friends, if you have a home and it was built in the 80s or 90s or maybe possible 2000s and you have that golden oak cabinet, dun dun dun, it is back and better than ever. So as we continue on, you do have this very large island. So again, this home was built in '77, but all recent updates look like it's been done in 2025. You have this wine bar slash coffee bar. If you're a Ninja Creamy person, you could definitely set up a Ninja Creamy on here. Keep the drinks a little healthier. The kitchen is very expansive. Very lovely. It's open, bright. The appliances are beautiful. So it's a stainless steel appliance. Oh boy, let's see. Is this my favorite? Oh yeah, baby. A drawer microwave. If you have not purchased a new microwave in a while and you go to the store and they ask, would you like to look into the drawer microwaves? It's a must. If you're into meal preps or using your microwave on a frequent daily type of routine, then the drawer is the way to go. I love a drawer microwave. Kind of the only way that I will buy a microwave now is if it's a drawer setting. Again, super large island, lots of storage in this kitchen. You even have one of these classic Lazy Susans, which is so nice. And it's a deep one. That's a pretty big Lazy Susan right there. Got some depth going on. Everything's been done. They use this really pretty backsplash, a nice tile right there. All these drawers. Look at these drawers. Pans for days, baby. Pans for days. So as we walk on this way, they do have a dining room set up right here. Little cozy nook. And everyone's here. So you have your living, your kitchen, your dining, all in that one area. Open family floor plan, open flow. I love that you can see the front from the back. I know it's not for everyone, but I do love seeing the backyard from the front door. And speaking of door, they have this cool hidden door feature here with this pantry. And it is a big one. Look at the size of this pantry. It's one that you could Pinterest. You could put some of those amazing cabinets in here. Turn that into a pretty cool spot. I've seen some really cool ideas where they put all their appliances in there. Everything's hidden. If you're like me and you don't like everything on the counter, it's a game changer. All right, so as we go through, I'm gonna walk into this beautiful laundry room right here, which is right off the kitchen. It has that old school feel where you could go out the back door and hang your clothes on a laundry line, which is kind of cool. And a very nice covered patio. You have this pass-through window right here, which is super nice. If you're cooking in the kitchen, you have your grill set up out here. You can pass food to and from. Just trying to show you this little part of the yard over here. So you have an RV gate on the side. And this massive lot. Look at this bad boy. So you have these beautiful palm trees. Simple landscaping around the edges. And rock. So it's pretty much done. It is landscaped, ready to go. And you have enough space back here to do a lot of things. Maybe look into a casita or a shed or a trampoline, definitely a pool. You have space to do whatever you would like back here. It's a pretty big lot and it's pretty private, seeing you are on the corner. It limits the amount of neighbors you have. And again, just a really clean, move-in ready home. Everything's been done, which is nice. You have a slider in the primary room, another slider in the kitchen. So again, lots of natural light. You have this large covered patio on the side. So we're going to head back in, going through the laundry room. We're going to open this one up here. So this is a 2-car garage. Pretty good size, nice and deep. You got a little storage area up there with your hot water tank. It does have a soft water loop, so if you don't know what a soft water loop is, in Arizona we have very hard water. So whenever you have the opportunity to put a soft water filtration type unit in, it's always good when you have that loop already. Saves you a little bit of money with the plumber. And definitely will save you money in the future for hair, skin, plumbing, pipes, glass. So the hard water does a job on all of it. Now as we come down here, I love the two-tone effect. So this color right here is a neutral color I've been seeing more and more on doors. And I do like it. I think I like it more than I like the black, just because the black gets so dusty. Tub shower combo. Again, a beautiful light oak cabinet in here with the black accents. Super cute. And they use this really pretty stone inside. So they thought of everything. Everything blends pretty well. And another storage cabinet right here. So again, this is more of a linen closet. So you have a coat closet, a linen closet, large kitchen. We are headed into the primary, and look at the size of this big bad boy of a room. So you do have a king size bed in here with plenty of space. You could put another chair in here for more seating, definitely more bureaus. It's just a good area. You also have a wonderful closet space in here. It is a walk-in closet. It is pretty big. Again, for these older homes, typically storage is the nightmare, and this home definitely is pretty efficient when it comes to storage space. And as we walk into the primary bathroom, you're going to see it is a zero entry bottom. Oops. Okay. You have a little bit of a lip there. But all in all, nice job. Beautiful tile. And of course, they did their nook. It is a pretty good sized shower. And you have double sinks in this one. And of course, your private throne room. And your own entry to your backyard. The great thing about this home is not only did they think about the cosmetics being done, but they also did the doors, the windows. All those extra fees add up. And we have another storage closet right here. You can use that for vacuums, maybe some purses, and a good sized secondary room up front. And this would face the front of the house with a good sized closet. So again, everything's been thought of. They did all the flooring in the same, all new ceiling fans. It is a very move-in ready home. If it's a home that you want more info on, please make sure you comment below. I would love to give you a tour, help you get qualified for this one. It's a gorgeous home. I'm sure it won't last. Reaching out to Angela Dansereau at West USA Realty for more info. And again, one last little plug. If you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe, like, and follow my channel. We are constantly looking for gorgeous homes to show you out there to help you become homeowners in Arizona. And if you're thinking of selling your home, also feel free to contact me. I'd love to update you on trends, things you need to do to get your home on the market, how to get your home sold fast. I hope you have an awesome day.